This morning I'm working on a DIY weed killer for my driveway. I'm trying to get this done before the sun comes around. It's going to be another hot day. I took my bucket out there and I pulled out some weeds first thing this morning. But there still is a lot of weeds and grass coming up through the stones of our driveway. The recipe is 2 cups of Epsom salts. The only kind I had is lavender because I like to use it for a bath as well. So I'm going to use that 2 cups of Epsom salts, a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap, and a gallon of vinegar. And I'm pretty sure you can use any kind of vinegar. I've used apple vinegar. I've used whatever you have on available. This is what I was working on this morning. You can see there's lots of grass coming up. I did have a little bit of the salt and vinegar and Dawn left in my sprayer, so I did spray a few spots over here in front of my Jeep. I have a bunch of weeds and grass coming through. So I'm gonna mix that up and we'll see later this afternoon if it works. It usually does. You can see where I've sprayed it before and it kills it right off. So let's mix that up. My husband's changing out the electric fencer for our beehives. He got a solar one instead of an electric one, so that'll be much easier. Sorry, we have a little road traffic this morning. I'm gonna mix this up. Take the handle off there. I'm going to put that in there so I don't get it on my table. Epsom salts. I'm going to mix in 2 cups. I can open the bag here. It's going to be a lavender smell. Put that in there. 2 cups. I'm going to use a little bit of the vinegar to get the rest of that Epsom salt out of the measuring cup. Pour that in the bottle. Still have a little bit of Epsom salts in there. Pour the rest of the vinegar. And I said about a 1/4 cup of the Dawn dish soap. I'm just kind of guessing on the 1/4 cup. I'm looking at the top of the bottle seeing how much I'm squeezing into the container. There's about a quarter cup. Put this back together. Okay. And I'll show you what it looks like later today.